Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing essentials, an updated iPhone and optionally an Apple Watch for richer sensors. Once done, open settings and complete health profile so your calories and metrics compute accurately. Next, launch the fitness app and grant motion and health permissions. This lets the app collect steps, heart rate, and workouts. Now tap Get Started and follow the brief setup prompts. This first action wires your device data to the app, making every subsequent measurement meaningful. You now choose and configure how you'll train. Set move calories, exercise minutes, and stand goals so the app nudges daily behavior. Next, pick a workout type, outdoor walk, HIIT, strength, and select intensity or a target duration. This shapes calorie math and cadence tracking. If you have an Apple Watch, start the workout there to capture continuous heart rate, GPS, and cadence, then sync automatically. If not, use iPhone sensors and enable GPS for accurate distance and pace. You finish each session by reviewing the summary card. Calories, splits, heart rate zones, and trends over 7 or 30 days so you understand progress. To keep records or coach others, export or share workouts via the Health app and link compatible third-party apps for added metrics. If something goes wrong, missing heart rate or GPS, first make sure permissions are enabled, Bluetooth and watch connectivity are active, and the watch battery and app are updated. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.